Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna review the two portable speakers that I got recently. On the left I have a speaker made by Kinivo and on the right I have JBL Go, which is a Bluetooth speaker. While both the speakers have built-in batteries, there isn't much of size difference too. Let's have a look at the options they've got. First, let's check out the Kinivo. On the top, it has got Kinivo branding on it. To the sides, it has got a volume down, volume up, and power button. Keep pressing the power button to get it powered on. You can see the blue light glowing. On the bottom, we have integrated aux cable. Yeah, it's an aux cable so that it saves you from the hassle of carrying aux cable with you every time. On the top, it has got a unique feature by opening it up. What is that? It's a bass resonating speaker to give you a deep feel to the music. As usual, a 3.5mm jack and a micro USB port for charging. On the JBL, to the top we have power button, Bluetooth button, volume keys and call answering button to be used for Skype calls, voice calls and so on. But however, the call clarity isn't great though. To the sides we have voice mic, micro USB port for charging and 3.5mm audio jack, which serves both as an input jack as well as an output jack. We can use JBL Go as a Bluetooth receiver as well. Just play a song on the JBL Go and you can connect a headphone or another speaker or even a home theater to it. Yeah, it can play on both the devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. Let's check out their audio performance. First, Kinivo. Now JBL Go. In the JBL, the highs are good, mids and lows are excellent and gives you a crisp and clear sound. Yeah, it's extremely loud. In the Kinivo, the highs and mids are good and the lows are okay-ish but not loud enough. As far as the battery life is concerned, while both of them gets charged quickly, the JBL Go has an 5 hours battery life as promised by the company, while the Kinivo has 6 to 7 hours playback time, sometimes even can go up to 8 hours. Yeah, it doesn't have Bluetooth, so it can give you a quite longer time of playback. So which one do I recommend? While Kinivo priced at 1000 rupees and JBL Go 1900 rupees, though you pay an extra price of rupees 900 for the JBL Go, it's worth it. Yeah, I mean it. Why? Because it's extremely loud, portable, and it also has got a Bluetooth integration. So my pickup is JBL Go. Please do subscribe and like if you haven't already. Peace.